Okay guys, so I already put the Jetson Nano back to the robot, and also I installed the OAK camera in front here, so it's pointing down, so I don't want it to detect many things, so I just want to let it see only the front area and like just pointing forward. And now I can control the cart by the manual control from my transmitter here. But next we just want to make the robot run in autonomous mode by just the program that we just made. So it will run following the apple by itself autonomously. Okay guys, so here I set up the apple on the floor like a route that is not straight. So there should be some challenge that the robot should curve like a couple times and then end around there. And then now I'm going to start the streaming and also the JMOAB ROS, ATCart basic, and also our Apple detection and the cart control. So here there is 3 terminals opening now. This is just a Nano, and another one is my laptop. So if I start here, set MQ port, so now the robot IP is 244, and here we're going to start this with the cart basic and also cart control. Then you will see that there is a streaming showing now as here, and I'm going to remove the robot by manual first. Then you will see that the stream is not that slow anymore, because as I told you that now there's only 2 devices that connect in the network, so the streaming is kind of pretty good. So next I'm going to switch to auto mode. So here I move the robot to the starting point, and then I'm going to put it on auto mode. Then it's running by itself now. So you will see that the robots try to steer a couple times to make the itself as on a straight, and then try to curve until the end. If there is no apple, then it's going to stop. So it's kicked this apple a little bit because of the front caster is hitting on that. Then let's try to run it again. Okay, so something like this. Then maybe let's try to add some more R, like more curve. I'm not sure that it could try to steer or not, but let's see. And also here, maybe let's try to add more curve. Okay, then move the robot backward a little bit. Then going to start in auto mode again. and that is how to use the JMOAB with the robot project. With the combination of ROS2 and JMOAB and the OAK camera, you can make a lot of fun projects and learning something new about the robot development. And we are working mainly on the POC project, which is the proof of concept project. If you would like to have the robotics consultant, please feel free to contact. Thank you for watching and see you soon.